friends, welcome to our channel. I am your Rajan. So today we are going to see the details about the Tamil movie called Manathil Urudhi Vendum. Come on, let's see the details about it. It will be really interesting.
Manathil Urudhi Vendum. This film was released in the year 1987. Actors Suhasini S.P. Balasubramaniam. Director K. Balachandar. That was the time in which the hero-based stories occupied the Tamil film industry, that is Kollywood. In that period, the one and only director, that is K. Balachandar, was the person who gave importance to women, and through them he conveyed the story. He was against male chauvinism and the burden of women. He conveyed this message in many of his films in a straightforward way. In this way, the struggleful life story of a nurse is Manathil Urudhi Vendum. The divorce from her husband, death of her younger brother, the sister with health problem, love failure, in a situation she has to donate a kidney, etc. These are all the problems faced by the heroine, and how she was handling it is the center point. The actress Suhasini was the perfect match to play the role of Nandini character. In this film, K. Balachandar introduced 12 upcoming personalities or celebrities. The playback singer S.P. Balasubramaniam, Ramesh Aravind, Vivek, etc. For the fraud politician, Ramesh Aravind voluntarily sacrifices his life. This was the role he played in this movie. In the first movie itself, he earned a place in the hearts of the fans. S.P. Balasubramaniam was introduced in this film as an actor. He played a role of a doctor who sings the Carnatic music in order to forget the tragedy in his life. For a song, Kanth, Satyaraj and Vijayanth played a special guest role. In Ilayaraja's music, Manathil Urudhi Vendum, Valkayile Thelivum Vendum, Kannin Maniye Poratama, Kanna Varuvaya, Meera Ketkirar. The songs were hit. How much worries we are facing. Also, we should have firmness in mind.
So, have you seen the details of the movie? Was it very interesting, right? So, you will be thinking, okay, we are going to see this movie today itself, right? So, don't wait, go and watch the movie. And then, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the like button so that the grey color turns into the magical blue color. And then share this video to everyone so that they also get to know about the super duper movies details. So and then leave a comment how this video is. You can also suggest some changes what we can do. And then finally subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell there so that our videos come to you as notification, so you will not miss any video of us. So, before leaving, I want to tell you one thing. If our dreams didn't come true for this one and only person, it's not that meant that we got failed in our life. It's really a failure when we didn't try for our dreams to come true till the last moment. Give your dreams a new dimension and execute it in a different way. The success be obtained in this way also gives happiness. So I hope you understood it, and then thanks for watching. So subscribe to our channel. Our channel logo is there and two more videos are waiting for you. Click and enjoy watching it.